Let's say we have this information. I have mentioned this before now on how to centralize text across cells without using merge cell and having selection issues with your table. So here is the area I want my text to be centrally placed. I will input my text, the year 2025. Then I will highlight across the cells I have it to be centrally placed. I will right mouse click then navigate to format cell. Under alignment in this pop-out, I will go to horizontal and set to centralize across selection. Press OK and repeat for the other. So we do the same for this. So the other thing we want to look at is printing. Let's say we want to print this page. Choose landscape orientation. We can see that we can only see 2024 to 2025. I will go back, select page layout and select what I want to print. After selection, navigate here and set width to 1 page. Then go back to print. So we can see that I see 2024 to 2027 all in 1 page. So that's how to go about this.